Tonight, claims of broken promises as the Republican congressional primary heats up in Omaha. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kevin Boughton. Republicans Chip Maxwell and Don Bacon face each other in the primary. Maxwell says the Republican National Congressional Committee promised him it wouldn't get involved in the contest. But now Maxwell says party leaders have broken that promise. Reporter Nick Starling spoke with both Maxwell and Bacon and is getting to the bottom of this tonight. Nick?
Kevin, with less than a month away before the Republican primary, both Chip Maxwell and Don Bacon are trying to raise money and support. But Maxwell says party leaders straight up lied to his face, meddling in the primary.
I don't like that.
Republican candidate for Congressional District 2 Chip Maxwell is furious.
It's the Washington political class pulling strings, maneuvering, playing the same old kind of stereotypical games because they want to get their candidate in.
Maxwell says he had a face-to-face meeting with the National Republican Congressional Committee last spring. He says they promised not to get involved in a primary contest here. This letter from Steve Stivers, vice president of the NRCC, shows he's urging members of Congress to donate to Don Bacon's campaign, saying, quote, "Our best candidate, Brigadier General Don Bacon, needs some fundraising help ASAP," and saying this donation will count as Young Gun Money, a group Bacon is a part of, full of candidates in competitive races. Bacon says Stiver and him are good friends, both military veterans, and people should have the freedom to donate to anyone they can.
Candidates and office holders can contribute who they want to. They have different, whether it's their personal or whether they have leadership, political action committee money.
Bacon says they have been working hard on his campaign, showing party leaders this will be a competitive race.
And they're looking at how can I make a difference in taking back a seat and getting back into conservative Republican hands.
But Maxwell thinks the NRCC betrayed him before the primary is over.
Encouraging people to donate to my opponent, well, that's one thing. But using the NRCC as leverage to do it, that's out of bounds. That's violating a pledge of neutrality. I don't like that.
That letter from Stivers was sent out to 111 members of Congress. Both campaigns say they have enough money right now for the long haul. The primary is May 10th.